In this ExpenseMonkey review, I'm going to be showing you an AI tool which can basically manage all of your business expenses, receipts and all of that. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if this AI tool is actually worth your time. At any time during this video, if you're looking to get ExpenseMonkey, make sure you click the first link in the description in which you can get a 10% discount if you're a new user of AppSumo. So let's get into the video. Let's look at some of the features. So it is GDPR compliant, it's AI, and it's best for accountants, entrepreneur, curious, then small businesses. So if you have a lot of expenses, so tech businesses have a lot of expenses, so if you're from that category, I think this tool won't help you. It's usually for small businesses that are having a lot of expenses and receipts. And you can simplify your expense tracker. You can monitor, review and organize your expense. Then you can snap a photo of the receipt. You can do it with your mobile phone, and you can log daily expenses. You can review team expenses. Then you can manage expenses onto the go. You can keep your finances organized and up to date with mobile and desktop as well. You can scan receipt and sync your account data. You can review and approve expenses. You can allocate costs to specific categories or object. This is kind of like an important feature. So when you upload these receipts, they automatically categorize it by looking at the bill. But it's usually for the paid plan. You have to get the paid plan in order to get that feature. Otherwise, you have to manually enter it. Then you can assign expenses to specific projects and client. You can allow your team members to submit expenses. Then you can bill clients with clear and itemized report. So you can do all that. You can also download the uploaded receipt into a CSV file. They'll basically create a data and you can do it into a CSV file. Then you have a lot of license tier. It goes all the way to 5 license tier, and based on your needs you can choose which one you want. I think for beginners and for small entrepreneurs, I think the license tier 1 is good. And if you are a big business, a little bit more big, maybe a medium-sized business, you can go up with the license tier 2, 3, 4 and 5. But for starting, I think for most people license tier 1 would be like great. So this is relatively a new product. Now let's go ahead and see the dashboard of ExpenseMonkey. So this is what you're going to get. I'm going to create my workspace, so I can add my member email as well. So if I want to add members, I can do that. You can basically make your employees do everything, but I'm going to skip that for now. So this is the dashboard. I haven't created any expense for now, so let me show you how you can do that. Before that, this is the expense section, and you have the project section as well, and you can also download in the CSV file after you select the project. So let's go ahead and check the expense. Okay, the cool thing is that you can capture expenses on your mobile phone by just scanning this, but I'm going to manually upload because I have manually done it. So let's open it. So this is my electricity bill which I've kept here, so it's loading. Since I'm on the free plan, I am having to type in all of this. But if you're not from the free plan, you could potentially get all this done in like second. The AI will do the work for you. So I have to do this all manually. So my total amount is 568. So I have to type in 568. It's not dollars. I am from India, so it's INR. So it's Indian rupee. Then right now I haven't created any project. Then the category, I'm going to keep it. Okay, let it be anything. I'm going to just go with taxes. Okay, merchant is actually required, so I'm going to type electricity. So I'm going to create it. So as you can see, it has actually converted to dollars as well. Actually, the category is not taxes, but still. So it's electricity. So I've kept it like this, and my status is in process. So this is how it usually looks, and you can basically keep on adding all of your expenses. If you're in the premium version, which is the license tier 1, you're going to be getting these categories automatically listed. You don't have to manually type in the amount. So that's a cool feature that you would get with ExpenseMonkey. And that's how you upload. And basically after you upload a lot of receipts and lot of expenses, what you could do is you could download a report in basically a CSV file, and it basically shows you the monthly expenses that has incurred in a certain category and the monthly expenses incurred in another certain category, and you can basically compare and you can see whether what has actually cost a lot of expenses, and based on the report that you download in the CSV file, you can potentially create, identify where you have gone wrong with the expenses. You can minimize your costs and do all of that after looking at the report. So that's basically how ExpenseMonkey can help you if you are a business owner. So that's basically it for this video of ExpenseMonkey. If you're really looking to buy this, make sure you guys click the first link in the description, as it helps me out with a very small commission. So this review is totally honest. I'm not sponsored by this company or anything like that, but I get a small commission which kind of helps me make more videos to this channel. So that's basically it for this video of ExpenseMonkey. If you want to check it out, you can check it out. Now that's it, and I hope to see you on another review video. Take care.